All right, gold. You can see here. I wanted to bring up a broader time frame. This is going back to August, so we're looking at almost 9 or 10 months, and the point of control has been kind of in the middle here, 1255, and it has been for some time. And we continue to battle up and above and around and below that zone. And when we got up to right near 1300 last week, we said that was a great sell as long as we don't close over 1312 that month end, and we didn't. And sure enough, gold now has come down about $70. It's all the way down here to 1215 today, 72, $73. You can see all these little holes in here in the broader time frame that the auction shows need to be worked out to build a better foundation, either higher or lower. So we're back in the zone. 1290, 1200 continues to be kind of the playground for these 9 or 10 months. Although we've been slightly above and slightly below, this is where we've played in this 90-point range. So I would suspect another test of 1200. If that can't hold, then we may finally break below that 1100 next. And that still plays out right now in my big picture when you look at the longer term charts. I still believe that gold has to go down and work through down to the 800, 900 level. Somewhere in here, I think it's got to go to. If you look at a long-term chart, and this is going back to 1976, we're totally in balance right now on gold at $1,200. And this is just, again, a very long-term 40-year chart. However, we've been here for quite some time. We entered this space back in 2009, and we shot all the way up to 1900. So it kind of a mirrored move down. 700 could take us all the way down to this 500 range. That wouldn't surprise me. I'm not calling for that, and that's not a absolute thing either way at some point. But I do believe that this has some work to do to get below 1,000, shake out a lot of people that have been holding that even 1,000 level. So keep that in mind. This is just big picture, not really a short-term trader type thing, but the short-term trades have been very good in gold for the year and has given back most of the gains that it had here in this last number of months, and has failed again. So fascinating that the gold bugs continue to come out and beat the drums, and then it gets crushed every single time. But again, lay out these levels, and until they're able to close on a monthly level above 1362, really, nothing's going to continue to change here. So that was just a quick update on gold. We'll talk to you on the other side.